In this tutorial, we're diving into Canva's text-to-video AI tool that makes creating videos easier than ever. I'll show you how to access the tool, write prompts to generate videos, and use camera and lens styles to make your results look amazing. Let's jump right in. Open canva.com and log into your account. From the homepage, start by opening a blank video design. Choose the format you need, like a widescreen video for YouTube or a square video for social media, and wait for your blank design to load. To generate AI videos, we'll use an app inside Canva called Magic Media. Scroll down on the left panel until you see Magic Media and open it. Next, select the Video tab. This is where you can start writing your prompts. Each video you create uses credits. If you have Canva Pro, you'll get around 50 credits per month, enough for about 50 video creations. If you're on the free version, you can start a free trial to get access to those credits. You can use the Inspire Me option to see a sample prompt, or simply type what you want your video to show. For example, I'll type, "A peaceful nature scene with mountains, rivers, trees, and animals." Then click Generate Video and wait a minute or two while Canva creates it. When it's ready, just click the video to add it to your design. To make your videos look even better, you can enhance the prompt with style keywords. Words like cinematic, slow motion, time-lapse, or realistic can dramatically improve the final result. For example, I'll try a city in the 1980s, cinematic style. After a short wait, Canva gives me a stylish, cinematic city video. You can also add camera movements for extra flair. Try prompts like drone shot, aerial shot, pan, or tilt to get more dynamic footage. For instance, I'll write, "A drone shot of a forest near the seaside in Canva generates a smooth aerial video." Finally, you can describe the lens type to control the look. If you want a close-up, add words like macro or close-up shot. For example, a prompt like a close-up of a butterfly on a flower creates a detailed macro video in seconds. And that's it! With Canva's text-to-video AI, you can create stunning videos by simply describing what you want. Give it a try and share in the comments what kind of videos you plan to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.